Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to turn on or off the always on display on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. Now, in order to turn on the always on display on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices, you need to open up your settings, scroll a bit and open up the display and brightness. In here, scroll a little bit further and you will find out the always on option. Tap on that. And in here, by default, you will see the always on display is turned on. Now, in order to turn off that always on display, just tap on that and it will be turned off. Now, in the future, if you want to turn it back on, you just need to tap on that and it will be turned back on. Now, here is mentioned that the always on display will be dim the light and it will give you information about the time, calendar, etc. So as you can see, locking the screen will give the dim light to the always on display. But if you turn this off and lock it, it goes completely black. So guys, that is how you can turn on or off the always on display on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If you have any query or question, you can mention that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.